Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, we have come up with a review of Galaxy A73 5G. Samsung is trying its best to dominate the market of mid-range products, and so they have come up with an A73 5G model to incorporate what was lacking in the previous one. If you're planning to buy it, then watch the full video for all the detailed specifications. At first glance, we couldn't get over how beautiful this smartphone was designed. It gives you the feeling of holding something really expensive. It comes with a wide range of colors to choose from. Just to make it even more eye catching, Samsung has given the side rail a metallic touch and a matte finish on the back panel. The Samsung Galaxy A73 5G was launched in March 2022 with two distinct models with a capacity of 128GB and 256GB. It is offered the 256GB capacity in mint color only. The price of this smartphone ranges from €495 to 520, depending on the capacity. You can find that you can purchase it directly from the Samsung store or website. Amazon, on the other hand, only offers one model at the time of writing. However, do check Flipkart as well, as it has a much wider selection range. Despite having a huge screen, the phone weighs 181 grams and is only 7.6 millimeters thick, making it quite pleasant to carry and use. The build quality is good, but generally speaking, nothing has changed in terms of the Galaxy A73. Only the front is made of glass, the rest is completely made of plastic. But the quality of this plastic is quite good. You don't get the feeling of using something cheap. Samsung has this drawback with all its mid range phones. The back has a matte texture, which prevents fingerprints and contributes to the A73's subtle yet elegant appearance. While buying this phone, you might want to invest in a good case as this phone gets quite slippery. It's also roughly a millimeter thinner than its predecessor, which helps with handling, particularly when using one hand to reach the top corners of the screen. The phone has an in display fingerprint scanner that works like other devices, but given the device's design, the fingerprint sensor should be situated on the side power button. The top mounted SIM tray supports up to 2 nano SIM cards in dual SIM mode or one SIM in a micro SD card up to 1 terabyte. The charging cable that comes along is C type. The Galaxy A73 features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMO LED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz. The screen displays good colors and details while navigating through social media apps. The display is large, with low bezels and HDR capabilities, making watching material even more enjoyable. The display features an 800 nits peak brightness, making it visible even in direct sunlight. It's unique because of its two screen modes, one of which is vivid. This displays extremely brilliant and joyful colors. The natural mode in display settings is the most accurate representation of natural colors. There are other options for 60Hz and 120Hz refresh rates. The device is equipped with an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor and 8GB of RAM. Then, there's the choice of 128GB or 256GB, despite the fact that the price difference is only 2500. There was no discernible lag during frequent use of the 8 and 128GB model tested in this evaluation. The A73 is far from slow, and it works excellently. One UI has been improved. Even if you receive 5G, the A73 delivers awful value in terms of performance when you're receiving last year's internals for a premium mid-range. Let's now discuss the camera department. The Galaxy A73 has a 108MP main camera sensor with an f/1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization. The camera produces images with good colors, detail, and dynamic range. The colors in the photographs are largely natural, which is appealing. Our sample photographs from the review camera were sharp and detailed. The main lens captures good photographs in low light, but there is a chance of missing the details in night images. On the back, there are three more cameras: a 12MP ultrawide, a 5MP depth, and a macro lens. You may choose between the ultrawide sensor's 0.5 times zoom and the main sensor's 1 times zoom. The ability to employ digital zoom up to 10 times is also available. The Galaxy A73 has a 5000 mAh battery that provides long battery life. The phone has a 25-watt fast charging capability that takes more than 2 hours to fully charge. Even after heavy use, The battery does not quickly deplete the full charge. The battery will easily last more than 1.5 days if you are a moderate user. The battery lasts almost 2 days when the refresh rate is set to 60 Hz. That's all we had, folks. So, what do you think of the new Samsung A73 5G? Do let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to receive similar content in the future.